Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an exciting tutorial how to create an iPhone app showcase poster. Let's create a professional app showcase being by placing an iPhone mockup in the center. Then replace the screen using smart object. Add your app UI design neatly fitted inside. Use bright gradient background that complement the brand theme. Now add glow behind the device for depth. Now include the app name and tagline beside it. Drop small icons like download on App Store to finish the layout. Apply curves for color, harmony and sharpen slightly. You have now made a perfect app poster.